MySep Studio Tutorials: How to open a V5 legacy file from the new software interface. We click on the Open Legacy Project button. A dialog box offers options on defaults. I'll select to retain the source file defaults. I now click the Open Legacy Project button. A file browser appears and I can navigate to our target file and click the Open button. Our dialog box reappears and we can track progress in loading each vessel in the legacy file. Now the dialog guides us to click back to the main MySep Studio screen. Our project opens in the new user interface with some messages. Any errors flagged in red here should be investigated. Let's quickly review our project. The vessel navigation tree on the left shows 2 vessels. First I'll click and expand the scrubber tree. Scrolling down, I can open the scrubber layout diagram. Now let's expand the 3-phase separator tree. Again, we'll check out the layout diagram. In this tutorial, we saw how to open a V5 legacy file from the new MySep Studio user interface. For any further assistance, send your inquiry to support@mysep.com. Thank you and goodbye.